Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? I am teacher Selma, and today we will start the third lesson in chapter 1, how to compare and order numbers. So, you remember when we want to compare between two numbers, I use those symbols, bigger and smaller and equal. So those symbols, you will use it when you want to compare between two numbers. Okay, now in this lesson you will learn how to compare between numbers with thousands digit. So let's see those two numbers. Okay, now I will read these numbers. The first one here, I will make it closer for you. The first one, I will read it. 51,28. Okay, this is the first one. The second one is 665,188. Now let's use this place value chart to put each number in its digit. So let's start with the first one, this one. Okay, I will start with this one. So I will put the first number in the ones digit. Now the second one will be in the tens. The third one will be in the hundreds. So it will be 0. Now continue. 1 in 100 1000s, 5 in 10,000s, and 6 in 100,000s. Now let's put this number also in the place value chart under this number. So I will put 8 in the first digit, and this 8 also in tens digit, 1 in hundreds digit. Now continue after the comma, we will start thousands period, so it will be 5 in 1000s, 6 in 10,000s, and 6 in 10,000s. Now if you want to compare between two numbers, you have to start from the largest digit. So I will start from the largest digit, which is the 100,000s. So I will start comparing from the largest digit, which is the 100,000s. So the 100,000s is 6 and 6. So look, 100,000s here are equal. 6 here and 6 here. So now I will move to 10,000s. So when you want to compare, first you have to compare between 100,000s, the largest digit in those numbers. So the largest digit here are equals. So what I have to do, I have to move to the lower digit, which is 10,000s. Now you will compare between those numbers. Okay, now look, in this number I have 5, in this number I have 6. So which one is the greater number? I think 6 is greater than 5. So I will stop here comparing, and I will say that this number is the greater number. Okay, so look, in step 1 here he said that 600,000 in first number and 600,000 in second number, so they are equal. So you have to use this symbol. Now step 2, he told me that you have to compare between the 10,000th digit. So look, 6 is greater than 5. That means the symbol will go on 6. Okay, so which one is the greater number? The greater number is this one. So the symbol will open or go to this number. So you have to start from the largest digit. if the largest digit are equal, you have to move to the lower one. Okay? The digit before it is 10,000. If this digit are not here different, if they are equal, so you have to move to the ones digit. Okay, but here they are not equal, so I compare between 10,000 and I find which one is the greater, and I stopped here. So no need to continue. Okay, no need. Okay, and you remember last year we talked about how to compare numbers according to number line, and I told you if you have a number line like this in page 18. Okay, now we are talking on page 18. Now if I have this number line, I told you last year, if the number goes left like this, the number becomes greater. Okay, if the number goes left, the number becomes greater. Okay, and if the number goes closer to 0, the number will be smaller. Okay, so if you want to compare here between two numbers, like look, 10,408, 10,416, 10,433. So first you locate this number 10,408 on this point. If you want to locate the next one, 10,416, you will locate it here. If you count here after 10,410, if you count 10, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this number is 10,416. And if you count here this little distances or small distances, you will find the next number 10,433. It will be here. Okay, so which number is the greater number? I told you that if the number goes to the left side or the left direction here in the number line, the number comes what? Bigger or greater. So the greatest number here is this one. Then after that, this one. Then after that, this one. So the greatest number is 10,433. Then the 10,416. Then 10,408. So look, when you mark this number 1, 2, 3, that's mean you order the numbers. You order the numbers. Okay. So how I will order the number? I will order the number by compare the numbers by each other. So you have to compare the number starting from the largest digit to the lowest digit. Okay? So you have to order the number from the largest number to the smallest number, or opposite, from the smallest to the largest. Okay? So this is how you will order the number. Okay, from the greatest number, this one, and this one is the smallest number. Let's solve this exercises on page 18. Okay, now I will solve the numbers, or I will solve exercise number 1. Compare 50 or 15,327 and 15,341. Let's compare. First I will use number line, then I will compare between the numbers. So if I want to locate 15,327, so first it will be right here between 15,320 and 15,330. So I will count here. I will make it closer for you. I will count after that 7. So this one will be 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So this is the first number, 15,327. Now what about the next one? It will be 15,341. So this is 40, this is 41. So this is the second number, 341. So which one is the greater number? I think you can see that the number, when the number goes left, the number will be the greater. So this one is greater than this one. Okay, this one is greater than this one. Now if you want to compare the number, you have to put this symbol. So this symbol will go to the greater number. Let's compare between those numbers by using those symbols and without using number line. So let's compare the first numbers. Okay, look here, you have to start from the largest digit, I told you. So let's start. This digit is 6 and the digit is 6. So this digit is 100,000s and 100,000s are equal. So when they are equal, I have to move to the digit before it. The digit before it is 4 and 3. So which one is greater, 4 or 3? I think 4 is greater than 3. So I will stop here and put the symbol to the greater number. Okay? So now this is how you will find the answer. Now let's solve number 3. Number 3. Compare between two numbers. Now I will compare between the numbers. Start with the largest digit. This one and this one. Look, this number and this number, 5 and 5, they are equal. So I have to move to the digit before it. The digit before it, this 2 and this 6. So which one is the greater, 2 or 6? 6 greater than 2. That means I will stop here and this number is greater than this number. So I will put the symbol like this. Okay? Now let's see number 4. Number 4. Let's compare this digit with this digit. Okay, which one is greater? I think 7 greater than 6. So no need to move to the next one. So I will stop from here and I said 7 greater than 6. So this number greater than this number and the symbol will be like this. No need to solve number 5. Okay? Now the last one, order from greatest to least. From the greatest number to the least number. So if you want to order, first you have to compare the numbers starting from the largest digit. So I will start from the largest digit. This one, and this one. So they are equal. 2, 2, 2. So I will move to the next one. Look, you have to focus here. This one is 0, this one is 1, this one is 0. So look, which one has the greatest number? I think this number has 1. So this number is the greatest number. So it will be first 21,115. Okay? This is how. You have to compare the numbers. Which one is the greatest? You have to put it first. Now, between those, so I will erase this because I decide this is the greatest number. Now, let's compare between those two numbers. This number or this digit is 0 and this digit is 0. So they are equal, so I have to move to the digit before it, this one and this one. Which one is the greatest? Look, this one is 6 and this one is 8. So 8 greater than 6. So that's mean this one is greater than this one. So I will put 20,890, then so I will erase it. So then this is the list number, 20,000. Okay, 20,000 and 615. Okay, so this is how you will order the number. Thank you.